Hi guys, my name is Kripesh Advani and here we talk about digital tools and services. Today we are going to talk about Surfshark VPN. Now I have used lots of VPN and Surfshark is one of those VPN that I am using for more than a year now. So this is going to be a detailed review based on that experience and research. So with no delay, let's get started. Now Surfshark is a new company which was formed in 2018. On their About Us page, you can see their team. They didn't have a About Us page last year since they were not interested in showing details about owners. But this year they are sharing that, so that's good. And so far it looks good, nothing suspicious about the team that are working behind. Coming on to servers, there are 32,000 plus servers in 65 countries, and we have virtual servers also. It will be denoted by small v, and then we have static IPs also for some countries. Talking about speed, I live in India, so my current internet speed is 120 Mbps download and upload. And when I connect to my nearest servers in India, then I got some pretty good speeds, around 10% loss. I tested speeds on all my devices. Now coming on to USA servers, when I connected from India to USA Chicago, then the speed I got was still very good. Speeds have definitely improved compared to last year, and the drop that I am seeing on US servers is just around 10 to 15%, which is really not that bad. And one of the reason behind this can be WireGuard protocol, which was introduced last year. Now WireGuard protocol is good, but you will not get it on Linux app yet. Hopefully it will come by the end of this year. Coming on to security, for encryption they are using AES 256-bit, that is industry standard. And for security protocols we have IKE v2, OpenVPN, WireGuard protocol and Shadow Socks if you are in some highly censored country like China. For audit, they got audited by Cure53, but only their Chrome and Firefox extensions were audited. I hope in future they will audit their no-log policy also. Then two-factor authentication is available, kill switch is there, and in my test of DNS leaking, IP was not leaking. Coming on to streaming, I could stream Netflix US without any problem. For Amazon Prime US, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And for Hotstar India, it was working, but I was facing some buffer issues. Now P2P is allowed on every server. Coming on to jurisdiction, Surfshark is based on British Virgin Island, which is out of 49, means government cannot force a company to keep logs for them. For logging policy, they don't keep any logs, which is good. And recently they upgraded to 100% RAM only servers. Now RAM is a volatile memory, means every time the server gets restarted, the data will automatically be erased from the servers. So that's good. ExpressVPN was the first one to introduce these types of servers, and now Surfshark have also followed it. So that's really good. Coming on to privacy policy, it's clean. They are not using any confusing terms. They have clearly stated what they don't collect and what they will be collecting. The only two things that they collect are user email address and basic billing information. If you don't want to give billing information, you can use cryptocurrencies to purchase. And they do use Google Analytics on their website, but you can opt out from them. Now they have split tunnel also, which means you can whitelist some apps and website which doesn't require a VPN connection. For example, banking websites, food delivery apps, or even Uber. Those apps need your location anyway, so it's better to not use a VPN in those cases. And split tunnel is only available in Windows and Android. For now, Mac and iOS doesn't have a split tunnel function. Now let's talk about some additional functions. The first one that we are having is Clean Web. Basically, it's an ad blocker. It will block your ads. So for example, let's go to some news website. Let's try the New York Times. So this is our website. After turning on the Clean Web, you can see there are no ads. Now I will turn off the Clean Web and we will revisit this page. Now after turning on Clean Web, you can see there are ads on this website. So basically you will get an inbuilt ad blocker with Surfshark VPN. Next feature is multi-hop VPN. It will form a connection through two locations. For example, in multi-hop, if I want to connect to Germany, then first I will use UK and then I will bounce to Germany. So it adds extra level of security, but it will decrease your VPN speed also. Then there is a camouflage mode also, which is basically an obfuscation servers, means you can access internet in highly censorship countries like China also. Now I have not been to China, but what I have heard is that Surfshark doesn't work very well in China. Now there is a GPS override function also, which means if I change my IP address, my GPS location of my phone will also get changed. For example, if I am going to use Singapore servers, then my GPS location will also be of Singapore. but this function is only available in Android phones. It's not currently available in iPhones. I don't think so that iPhone is ever going to allow this type of GPS overriding feature. Now we have smart DNS also. If you want to change location of devices that doesn't support a VPN, for example Apple TV, LG TV, or even your Xbox, then you can use smart DNS. But do remember one thing, that it doesn't encrypt your connection. It simply spoof your location so you can use it to unblock your content. Coming on to devices, you can use it on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, Firefox, Fire TV, Android TV, iOS or Android. Now the best part about Surfshark is that you can use it on unlimited devices. I can use it on all of my devices simultaneously. Talking about history of Surfshark, they have a clean history since 2018, and also on their website they have listed the number of gag orders they have got, and that is 0 currently. Talking about user interface, it's a very modern and easy to use interface. For ease of use, you can easily use it. You just have to open and select the servers and you will be ready to go. Talking about customer support, it provides 24/7 live chat support, and the knowledge base is also very good. Now before I talk about pricing and discount coupon code, I would like to give one disclaimer that this video is not being sponsored by Surfshark VPN, but if you buy through my link, then I will get a small commission without any extra charges to you. In fact, you will get the best discount possible. So if you like my work, you can support by using my links down in the description box below. Thank you. Now if you buy through my link, go.kripeshadvani.com/surfshark, then you will get 3 months free. So for total of 27 months, you will have to pay just $59.76. And then there are some add-ons also, which is Surfshark Alert and Surfshark Search. We will talk about that soon. And for the payment method, you can use credit card, PayPal, so forth, Amazon Pay, cryptocurrency. For refund policy, it comes with 30-day money back guarantee. Just remember to buy it from their website. If you are going to use iTunes App Store or any prepaid gift card, then you are not going to get refund. Now let's talk about two add-ons. The first one is Surfshark Alert. It helps you identify your leaked data. You can monitor your emails, credit cards or IDs. Best part about this is you can know the exact information that was made public on your account. Means if your username was leaked, if your contact number was leaked, because many times we change our contact information. So 5 years back, what I was using in Canva can be different what I am using today. So it is important to know what exact information I have leaked. So you can find that out through Surfshark Alert. It can show you everything. Even if the password got leaked, you can know exactly what password was leaked through Surfshark Alert. Now it's not for everyone, but if you have lots of account and your work depends on it, you can use this one. Else you can use a free website, haveibeenpawned.com. That is also good. Coming on to the second add-on, that is Surfshark Search. It's basically a search engine by Surfshark, which is there to search without traces. Now before I talk about pros and cons, if you have liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. Now talking about pros of Surfshark, speeds are very good. You can use unlimited devices. There are RAM servers, pricing are affordable, streaming of Netflix US can be done, and there is excellent support too. Talking about some cons, split tunnel is not available in Mac or iOS. Audit has only been done for browser extension. WireGuard protocol is there, but it is not available for Linux apps. Now should you get Surfshark for 2021? I think if you are looking for a budget VPN in 2021, Surfshark can be a very good option. They have improved a lot compared to last year. Speeds are much better and reliable also. With WireGuard protocol, it's better than before. So if you are looking for a budget VPN which can serve, download or even stream Netflix US library, then Surfshark can be a very good option. With high privacy also. They have a no log policy and RAM only servers too. So if you have liked this video, you can use my links to purchase. It really helps me to keep going, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.